Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance interlude. The song is Baby featuring Mike Shorey. The artist is Fabolous. The choreography is Chris Blues. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Last but not least, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 7th through the 10th, 2022. That's right, next year. Give you a lot of time to plan. You can book your hotel right now, and registration opens June 1st of this year, 2021. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com for detailed information. That's where you will book your hotel, and registration takes place at the website. Okay, so here we go.
When I seen a lady tonight with my good eye that I would try and make my baby. I was up in the club putting my hood high when I saw you and I stood by, just looking at your onion, girl. I could cry and I could lie. I mean, I could try and say you would sweep me off my feet, but only one thing to keep me off the street, and that's if you be my B-A-B-Y. I can be why you always be fly, and I'm from B-Style, just like B-I-G was. That's how F-A-B does. We can sip something till we both beat us, and the beat does, and that's only because you like this, that, you do blah blah, couple good jokes, a few little ha-has. That's how I'ma do you, mama. First I'ma put you on your back and make you scream out, baby, just like I put you on the track. Then I'ma lay you on your side and slowly stroke you while you're telling me the way you feel inside. But my sex drive won't make me play you on the side. You know you can get the keys any day you wanna ride, and my baby know how to start me up. You got the kind of kiss that'll speed a heartbeat up, and you got the kind of touch that'll give me the chills. I ask you cause I know you gon' give me it real and won't be fake. And don't we make a good couple, and won't we make a good baby's the only one I bring to the villa. That can get the bling and a thriller. Girl, I know you're smooth enough to spring a chinchilla and still take a sting of tequila. The way you swing is a thriller. I'm watching that like a boxing match in the ring of Manila. I wanna keep it coming like the singles of Thriller. I mean, if you still up, my B-A-B-Y.
And there you go, guys. Interlude. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in July, July the 7th through the 10th, 2022. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.